Hello everyone, it is Friday. Yep, Friday. And I am literally just in from my workshop and decided that I would redo my failed bar, which was absolutely annoying. Um, and well, here's the results. And I have it upside down, obviously, don't I? This one has actually come out amazing. See right there, there's like a playing card in the middle with the ace with the skull. I'm pretty sure these are actually like a spider or something. I'm still undecided what these are supposed to be. It looks like something's leaping out of this large, very intricate spade. And let's just move this away because it's affecting my focus. And you can actually see how just awesome and three-dimensional. I haven't fully cleaned up everything, so in the back, as you can see, as I'm getting my fingerprints all over it, it's come out pretty dang good as well. A little bit of polishing, a little bit of cleaning, and that is good as gold. But I like to know what you guys think. It's a right pain to pour this one. It does not want to leave the mold. You really have to get it. And I poured it, and it's 153 grams. Now, I haven't converted that to ounces yet. But, you know, 32 grams to an ounce, you get the idea. So it's a heavy monkey, that. And it's cool. I like it. Now, on to something else that I poured. And it's something that was long overdue. It was something that I really wanted to pour. I kept thinking, yeah, I'll do it. And, you know, it just hit me as I was pouring it because I broke the bottom mold. And this person mentioned to me, oh, yeah, you have broke the mold. Well, okay, so let me find another mold that I like, that I want to actually give it a shot and pour with. Well, I received a mold a long time ago from the Kernel. And I don't know if this is supposed to be, I think it's some kind of sci-fi thing. I'm not, to be honest, I'm not sure. Kind of looks like a predator or something. I don't know. It's just a cool, creepy skull. And it has just some super, super details. You can see my pour there. I got those ripple effects that Backyard Bullion had mentioned. Sorry for my hands being all mucky. As I said, I have been in the workshop doing this. No maker's mark, no stamps, nothing yet. These will be sent off to be assayed because I deem both of these to actually be a decent pour. And I'm happy with that. I know my camera doesn't do it justice. This kind of looks like it has almost a copper hue. I can assure you it doesn't. It's really, really difficult to get that right lighting on it to show it, but no. But yeah, so I decided to do these two pours, and that's what I've done. So I would like to know what you guys think. I'm about to be sending off the two parcels to a couple of people who have ordered. I still have one fat ace, one pronounced ace, a few fat aces, and a few more of the Lest We Forget Poppy design. You know, a really good gift for anyone who served, really. So, or if you have served yourself, it's just a nice momentum. But anyway, that's what I have. All the loaf bars have sold. I said the fat, the poppy, and one pronounced ace is left. So that's super cool. So that's why I am starting to get to work on my very next batch of poured silver. And yeah. And just for the heck of it, my boys are in still some serious hot water. I don't know what to or how to fully punish them, but my youngest decided to use his go on his PlayStation, tell my eldest son that, hey, look, there's a glitch. My eldest son was watching, and of course they were basically purchasing these whatever credits on the Crew 2. It's a video game for the PlayStation. But moving on, my wife was alerted. I was charged about £35 or something, or £39. So over $50. And yeah, I'm not amused. They're being punished. They're right now restricted from all computers, etc., etc. And yeah, I think there's a lot of car washing or Jeep washing involved in their future still. But anyway, that's it for me, folks, from now. I still have a ton of stuff to actually go through and reveal. But for now, I'm just happy. By the way, those gifts that I just gave it away. Those packages that I have sent out to the 2 customers, yep, look inside. There's gifts, guys. That's all I'm going to say. Anyway, have a great day with very mucky fingers and all that. Yep, that's me. And I'll talk with you guys later. Bye for now.